Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9th. Exercise 2.4 question number 5 part 4th. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Today I want to describe about polynomial. Because you can ask question to me, what is polynomial? Polynomial is new for you, so you can ask question very easily to me. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Polynomial is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Polynomial is an algebraic expression of the form a base n x power n plus a base n minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus a base n minus 2 x power n minus 2, so on. It is form of polynomial. Form of polynomial is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about type of polynomial. Polynomial are two types. First, term-based polynomial. Second, degree-based polynomial. Term-based polynomial are many, namely constant polynomial, zero polynomial, monomial, binomial, and trinomial. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about degree-based polynomial. Degree-based polynomial are many, namely linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial has 1 0 means one answer. Its form is ax plus b equal to 0. Next, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial have 2 zeros means 2 answer. Its form is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial have 3 zeros means 3 answers. Its form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Next, biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 4 or more than 4 is called biquadratic polynomial. It has 4 or more than 4 zeros means 4 or more than 4 answers. Its form is ax power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e equal to 0. It is clear, no confusion about it. Type of polynomial is clear. Very good. It is very easy. Now I want to describe how you can factorize given polynomial. You can solve given polynomial by two methods. First, remainder theorem. Second, factor theorem. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means px equal to gx multiply qx plus rx. Here px is dividend, gx is divisor, qx is quotient and rx is remainder. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question very easily. Firstly, you factorize it. It means you find the factor of constant number and then make pair by trial method. You use trial method and put the value of x in given polynomial. If you find resultant 0, it means given number is factor of given polynomial, otherwise not factor of given polynomial. It is clear. You take common. Firstly you make pair, then take common. In this way you can solve your question very easy. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share it in your friends. Clear? No confusion? Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.4 question 5 factorize part 4 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. It is given polynomial. Given polynomial is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You factorize it. Clear? 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is given polynomial. Clear? Here you make two pair. It is first pair and it is second pair. It is clear? You make two pair, first pair and second pair. Now you take a common in first pair and common in second pair. Clear? Here you can take common y square. Y square. Here you can write 2y and here plus 1. Y square is here and y cube here. So you can take y square common. If you multiply y square and 2y, it become 2y cube. Y square multiply 1, it become y square. It means your process is right. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now you take minus 1 common. Here in second pair you take minus 1 common. Here you can write 2y plus 1. If you multiply minus 1 and 2y, it become minus 2y. If you multiply minus 1 and plus 1, it become minus 1. It means your process is right. Clear? It is easy? Very good. Here in first brackets and in second brackets are same number 2y plus 1. It means your process is correct. Clear? Here same number and here same number. So your process is correct. Clear? Now you can write 2y plus 1 in first brackets, y square minus 1 in second brackets. It is clear? Here you can write it 1 square. 1 means 1 square. You can write 1 means 1 square. It is clear? 1 means 1 square. You can write it 2y plus 1 in first brackets. Here a square minus b square. Identity. A square minus b square equal to a minus b in first brackets, a plus b in second brackets. It is identity. You can use this identity for y square minus 1 square whole square. It is clear? No confusion about it? Here 1 square. You can write it as clear? Y square minus 1 square. A square minus b square equal to a minus b in first brackets, a plus b in second brackets. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Here you can write y minus 1 in one brackets, in second brackets y plus 1. It is your answer. It is your answer. You factorize very easily given polynomial. Hence, factor of 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 equal to 2y plus 1 in first brackets, in second brackets y minus 1, in third brackets y plus 1. Answer. You factorize very easily. You use identity a square minus b square equal to a minus b in first brackets, a plus b in second brackets. Here y square minus 1 square. You can write y minus 1, y plus 1 according to identity. Clear? Hence factor of 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 equal to 2y plus 1 in first brackets, y minus 1 in second brackets, y plus 1 in third brackets. You find your solution very easily. In this way you can solve any question very easily. But you learn this identity. Clear? Identity is very important. You can use this identity and you can solve this question very easily. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about my words. Very good. Do not forget, like, subscribe and share it in your friends. Clear? No confusion? Very good. Okay.